risk of doing these videos, no hair, no makeup, don't care. If I wait to do my hair and makeup, these will never be done. So just finished working out. Now let me show you about this flatbread recipe. Real simple. I start with 3 bananas, 3 cups of whatever flour you choose. I have garbanzo bean flour, rice flour, almond flour. I have found coconut flour makes it a little too soft, so the bananas that have been on my counter that have gone bad, I've thrown in the freezer. So 3 bananas, 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and then of course you have to put a little bit of salt and baking powder with it, so I'll write all this down. And you make a pancake mix. And then you pour it into your cookie sheet. So here's a big dollop of coconut oil I'm going to put into the oven. Here I have 3 cups or so, different flours, baking soda, a little bit of cinnamon. Read those ingredients of almond milk. Don't be fooled. Read the ingredients of that almond milk you're buying. I have to question those chemicals. So water is fine. Use water in here if you need to. If it gets too thick, I'm going to finish off with water. If I had my homemade almond milk, I would have put in almond milk, but I'm out. So I'm going to use regular milk and finish it off with water. I mixed the wet and the dry together because I had to add a little bit more water than almond flour. I didn't want it to be too pasty, so I added some olive oil. Added some olive oil and a little bit of honey because I want my family to enjoy this. If it was just for me, I might tolerate the blandness of just the bananas, but it needs to be just a little bit sweet. For Pete's sakes, I can afford a little bit of honey in here. Don't be fooled. Honey is still sugar, so don't think that you can eat honey with abandon because it's natural. So just eat everything in small portions. All right, let's put it in the oven. Pour it into a pan. Smooth it out. All right, not bad looking. Put in the oven. Let me show you a couple of tricks. If your mother didn't teach you to shake it down, get any air bubbles out. You do that with a cake mix, you get the air bubbles out. Nice and square in the refrigerator, in the stove. And 30 minutes. 30 minutes or so. 350. All right, let's get ready for that. Okay, let's finish up. Here is the pan. Oh, got this. 33 minutes, nice and golden brown around the edges. Here is my breakfast. Couple of eggs, avocado, and leftover asparagus from last night. Now I'm not going to eat the bread with the eggs because we don't want to mix protein and carbohydrates together. So I will cut this up, eat it up later, maybe smashed up avocado over it, maybe sliced tomatoes. Ooh, wait till I show you these sliced sweet potato toast that I just created last night. So this is the way I start my morning. This is good quality carbohydrates, but you just don't want to mix the carbohydrates and the protein together for digestive reasons, and we'll go over that in another video. So have a great day. Eat clean, eat smart, and eat small portions. Thank you. Have a good day.